All right, Mohan Racing RX8 stripped down and rebuild new Formula D car part 2. A little time lapse of everything coming off of this car. A lot of history, a lot of parts, and a lot of time. It was time to drop out those old subframes, get rid of some of those old components. I mean, they were great, but drifting has changed a lot. Bodywork, style, suspension components, everything has evolved in drifting. You can see some of our old crash bars, the old interior layout. And there's our old 2009 drivetrain. We're gonna need a way bigger intercooler, a whole new motor setup's going in there. We're definitely pulling some big upgrades. With the whole crew helping, a lot of this teardown has gone faster than I was expecting, so I feel like we're making good progress this off-season in the path to a completely redeveloped car. We've already got all of our old drivetrain out, subframes are off, suspension's out. We're getting our way to that point where we've just got that nice tub to work with. The roll cage itself, the chassis itself, we checked everything. We had it aligned, checked, and strung by a professional body friend of mine. And it turns out the actual chassis itself, within the suspension pickup points, were fine. So we're eliminating all of the old bent components, the old crash structure. This is some original 2009 getting cut off right there. Boom. Gotta love the portaband. There's that old lightweight crash bar that I made. It served its purpose, but you know, this thing's gonna get set up for war, so trimming away old sheet metal, things that are bent, not necessary. And like I was just saying, we're gonna be replacing it with something that's kind of the modernized Formula D style. Built for war, ready to take a hit, erasing a little bit of the memories and uncovering some memories. You can see as we're getting down to the legal constraints of the Formula D car, our roll cage, our pan between the frames, a lot of debris down in there. We're definitely a dock-powered shop. As you can see, I spend more time filming than I'm actually. No, I'm lying. I get in there too, but I gotta document this. This is you know, the KMR off season. Everybody asks me, "What are you doing to take a break? What are you doing in your off season?" Oh, our off season is build the team, build the car, get ready for 2019. We got some new body work in. Like I said, we're getting rid of the old, so you know, we wanted to be cool. So we got some Rocket Bunny style flares going on, and we're going to be making modifications to this setup to fit what we need for Formula D. But we wanted to do a quick comparison on my street car here. So new body work going on the drift car compared to the OEM lines. You can see much more aggressive. I can't wait to get this stuff actually on our Formula D chassis. I think it's going to look great. Oh, boom, there it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. The car will continue to develop. Mohan Racing.